starting to look so good. This is the glass sliding door window that I took out of my micro tiny house. Too close to the edge is scary. Ivy, come here. What do you have against UPS? Come on, fit. If it won't fit on its own, you make it fit. I'm back. Come on, neck in, I'm back. You know how much I love doing unnecessary things. Redundant, unnecessary things. Fuck my life. You know, I can't give it a good whack like I need to because it's glass and obviously I don't want to break it. Need a little bit more. Just a little bit. I don't feel like doing it. Ready to attack this window again. I am determined to get this thing today. Voila! It looks so good. Now I just need to create a little lip on the outside too. I really want to get these doors up and put them in. They're just so freaking heavy. Those are vintage too, probably from the 70s, I'd imagine. And it's solid wood, so they're super heavy. Maybe I can woman handle them up here. This is heavy. I just need to get it up on that top step there, and then I can push it up like I did the window. I can't get a good enough grip. Yeah, baby. Holy flippin' lizard, not lizard, spider. Dog. Sir, you're gonna have to move somewhere else, please. Okay, just keep going. There you go. See you later. Threshold still. Why? So what I want to do for the layout is when you come in the doors here to the right where the big window is, I want to do those hanging macrame chairs like on either side of it. and then maybe a cute little plant there or whatever. And then on this side, I want to do like a trundle bed or something that can act as a couch and a bed. And then up top there in the loft, I want to do a single bed. And then to the left in the middle there, I want to do some sort of like little counter space where you can have coffee and stuff like that. But I just love this window. It's going to be so cool when all the walls are up, and you can sit there in the little hammock swing and look out and watch the deer. But yeah, the rail or the deck out here, they'll have railings around the sides of it as well. And then down below is where I want to put the outdoor shower. I want to put an outdoor shower like towards the back left there, and then a composting toilet, and probably hang some chairs or a hammock out there, as well as like an outdoor kitchen too.
Hey! How are you, pretty mama? When are you gonna give me some eggs? Huh? You're so pretty. Pretty, right, Ivy? You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. I love you, Ivy. Oh.